Tentu pasti. Jom kita main yang lembut. Kita bagi balik kampung. Kita balik kampung. Kita balik kampung. Ya. Kita balik kampung. Betul. Kita balik kampung. Aku dan nenek. Ayo kita berjumpa dengan aku dan nenek. Mari kita jalan ke. Mari kita nenek. Apa yang lalu kita pergi naik motor. Pergi ke kampung yang ku sayangi. Lalu yang ku sukai. Itu lagu aku buat sendiri. Wah. Kita dah nak sampai. Sampai. Kita jumpa nenek atau ibu. Pasang musik kan sih. Sampai kampung kita. Tak ada. Hakikat. Ini hantu. Tak boleh. Ya, aku letak lagu kat Spotify. Ya, lagu Spotify mana lagu Spotify?
Straight je habis.
Ya, bapak engkau pun kena straight juga. Cepat keluar. Cepat. Kepada bapak kau cepatlah. Mana jiwa Gila. Okay, dah letak lagu. Jom kita terus kita pergi ke anak ayah. Pergi kampung. Dulu kita yang tutup.
The dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a crush, but I couldn't get enough. It was a rush, but I gave it up. It was a crush. Now I might have wanna said too much, but that's all it was. So I gave it up. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. It was a crush. I kept saying I'ma stay in touch, but that thing went bust, so I gave it up. Ooh, no tricks, no bluff. I'm just better off without them cuffs. Yeah, the sun won't set on us. Ooh, yeah. When low, when high, still waters run dry. Gotta get back in the groove. I ain't never heard it. When low, when high, what matters is enough. I'm getting right back in the mood. I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if it was the
Let's go to sampai.
summer. Doing it the way I wanna. I'ma dance my heart
Aku bersama tadi sakit
but
juga.
I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer.
Aku tahu.
Gonna spend it like no other. Now I found another crush, and last night giving me a rush.
Dan dia dah sampai.
Make it blush. Second
Kira lambat lagi lah datang.
Now I
Tunggu
found
kat.
another crush, and last night giving
Kan juga dulu kita tunggu kat rumah atuk dengan nenek. Let's go.
second time is one to let.
Atuk nenek ni. Tengok. Sini kan.
I live my day as if it was the last. Live my day as if there was no past. Doing it all night, all summer. Doing it the way I wanna. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out
Ni dah
till the
kampung dah. Sampai kampung dah ni.
dawn.
Yang ni kat kampung dah.
Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. Now I found another crush,
kamu dah verified. Emang paling cantik yang memang kamu certified. Cuma satu yang one on one, I swear you hard to find. Putih kayak susu, aku jadi espressonya. Temu di IG, tapi bisakah kalau kita ketemuan nanti? Bebas pilih mana mau ke, kasih obsesi. Jadi janganlah sensi, kan kita mau happy. Nanti ku izin mami.
Sudah sampai. Dah. Pocong. Pocong mbak.
Tinggal lu
Lah bu,
cek,
nenek gini.
ku cek, sayang
Iya,
ortu
namanya
cek,
lampu.
kamu 100%.
Alamak, ini benar-benar lari.
Makan malam di rooftop yang high. What's the dress code, baby? Black and yellow, baby. Kalau udah
Dan ada yang
ready, I'll be there for my lady. No makeup, tercantik, paling asik, paling klasik, paling sama suka. Tapi nunggu apa? Memang kita berbeda, tapi tetap sama suka. Jadi nunggu apa? Tak perlu kata sumpah, berdua sampai tua.
Oke, ini episode yang terakhir ya. Episode apa tuh? Hari Raya. Kita sholat Jumat dulu lah. Tak, misalnya lagu ni tak puas tu. Dah itu je. Dah. Tak boleh solat kadang ni ya. Haram.
Hey, this is Alan Walker, and you are listening to my new single Getaway, which is part of my new album called Rise of the Drones. Click and listen to it now.
Dan itu saja, bye.